Hey guys, I wanted to share this bench makeover with you. It started with a really good cleaning and some clear shellac, and then I went straight into a dirty blend with blue called Bling Bling and another lighter blue called Nightfall. I consider this a dirty blend because I'm not actually using my little spray bottle full of water. I'm just going ahead and putting a full coat of the darker blue on and then kind of just streaking in my other color. I'm not worried about it truly smoothly blending into the other paint. So now I want to add a little bit of a Bohemian flair with this tile stencil. It's about 12 by 12, I believe, and I'm using a spray adhesive first outside, and then I just measured to the very center point and started my stencil right in the middle and worked my way out. I'm applying this with an oval mop brush, and it's just kind of a light and rustic coat. So now that I've finished my stencil, I'm taking my sander with a 220 grit pad and I'm just going over it just to lightly distress it just a little bit and also smooth out that paint. My next step is just to apply a teal colored glaze onto the top portion of my bench. So I'm taking about a 50-50 mix of my clear glaze with teal paint called Bliss. And you really have to mix the glaze up very, very well. That's one thing I've noticed. But it does really good work. It really takes the project to the next level. And I like the clear color because I can mix it with any other paint color that I have. I do try to work fairly quickly and in smaller sections when I'm doing a glaze like this. So you can see I'm just applying the glaze and then I go ahead and spray it with some water and then I just wipe it back with a microfiber rag. So the final step for this piece was just a couple applications of clear coat. That way it could hopefully be used on a front porch as well if somebody wanted to put it outside. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hopefully have inspired you to bring some color into your next project. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome week.